In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDFs to Google Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Gemini in your web browser. This is where all the magic happens. Just type in the URL in your address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Google Gemini homepage, you're ready to begin the upload process. Next up, you'll notice a prominent ++ symbol or an Add Files button right next to the text prompt box. This button is your gateway to uploading files. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring up a file selector on your screen, allowing you to choose the PDF you want to upload. Now, at this stage, you have a couple of options. You can select Upload Files to navigate through your computer's files and choose the PDF you want to upload directly from there. If you'd prefer, you also have the option to upload a PDF from your Google Drive. It's super convenient if you already have your documents stored there. Just click on the Google Drive option and locate your PDF file. But here's a fun tip. If you want to make things even easier, you can simply drag and drop your PDF file directly into the chat area of Google Gemini. This shortcut saves you the hassle of clicking through menus and is a major time saver. Just make sure to have your PDF file handy on your desktop or wherever you keep your documents. Once you've uploaded the PDF, it's time to interact with it. You'll need to type your question or prompt related to the PDF. For example, you might ask something like, "Can you summarize the main points of this document?" Or, "What are the key statistics mentioned in the PDF?" The way you phrase your question can lead to different types of answers, so think it through for the best results. Once you've typed your question, hit the send button. And voila, you've successfully uploaded a PDF to Google Gemini and engaged with it. The system will process your request, and in just a moment, you should see the response based on the content of your PDF. Now let's quickly recap the steps you've just learned. First, open Google Gemini in your web browser. Next, click on the ++ symbol or the Add Files button. After that, either upload your file from your computer or your Google Drive, or simply drag and drop the PDF into the chat area. Then type in your question or prompt and hit send to get your answer. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily and efficiently upload PDFs to Google Gemini and have a productive experience interacting with your documents. It's a powerful tool for anyone who needs to analyze or summarize information quickly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to upload PDFs to Google Gemini. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Happy uploading!